Benjamin and
And we figured out to write it in IPA.
João.
You're missing the O again.
João.
Yeah, João. Yeah.
João.
But did she say João or João?
Ah, we're live.
So you should not be there.
Yeah?
Yeah, we're live.
Right all along.
You were right all. There's another one.
Such fun.
Very fun. Thank you everybody for joining us. João, can the video be a little bit more that way?
Which way?
To like so it's easier for me to see.
Let me watch it. Not much.
Ah, okay.
Changed my whole set because of that.
I just erased
What?
everything.
The whole YouTube channel is
Yeah.
gone.
Oh, Google, sorry. Did I just delete Google?
Yeah. Wow, where's the Google? What did you do something with it again?
Parents 101.
Yeah.
What was her idea? What is it now?
I've been ASMRing for minutes.
Where is it? Where did you hide it?
The Google.
Yes.
She has it.
You know something about this? You sure? I know where you live.
That's a good point. He does know where we live.
It's funny. You want to tell the people
It's
why,
funny because
Benjamin?
it's true.
It's funny because he lives with Hida.
Yes. Secret. My parents didn't know.
Could you
Excuse
imagine?
This is the right place to do it.
Yeah.
To reveal that.
It's one-sided communication.
Not completely.
My parents also think I'm teetotal.
Oh yeah. Also, it's like a Heineken advert.
Well, alles voor Oranje.
Alles for
Hello.
Oranje. Nice.
Oranje. I'm more for the groene rode.
No Instagram?
En dat was sent.
Ah, okay. Okay.
Oh, it's very much on the side. Or
Ik moest om 7 uur op omdat ik repetitie had in Deventer. Ja, om 10:30. Wat GPP is. Maar wel Deventer. En om 7 uur opstaan is het best oké, want ik word tot wakker geweest. Ja, even nog. Helemaal spierpijn en zo. Ja, je zag het hè.
Mag je sec alsjeblieft?
Dankjewel. Zo goed?
What do you want to start with, boys?
That sound. First of all. Oh, good. Because the mouse pad on my laptop broke.
Watch out.
Recently, do you have a mouse with
Watch
you?
yourself.
So I have to use a mouse. Yeah, amazing.
Nice.
Thank you very much.
The perks of living with a technician.
You are starting
João.
to feel very sleepy.
Yeah. Tell me about it.
Already. It's been a few years with that problem.
Yeah.
What did you do today with Zinho?
When I was around 16. Today I made recordings for some auditions that I want to do. Ooh, it's working. Thanks, João. Oh, and I have to have internet, preferably.
Should we steal from the same person I'm stealing?
Yeah, but oh my gosh, what a hassle. Yes. can we do the sleep now, dream of the world?
Yeah, you wanna start with it?
Maybe we can do it in like
half hour or so.
Yes.
Yeah, no, I also thought that. I got that one down.
Yeah.
Joao, are we gonna do our solo?
Yes. One once.
Links is
No, I'm using my phone, but that's gonna die in a minute. Could you plug it in?
Can we have someone else to sing?
I'm in. Hacked into the mainframe. Hacker boy. Yeah, hacker man.
Anyway, guys, thank you very much for joining us. Sorry we were a bit late starting. We had technical issues. Anthony, technical issue cut.
Hey.
Ah,
Oh, we have a guest.
there
No, I
arrived
mean
with a
two
boyfriend.
guests. We have a guest. Thy boyfriend?
Hello, my young sir. Is it here the Benjamin Jago concert?
Hack into your phone, please.
You need it again?
Yeah.
You said you were in.
Yeah, with one device, but not the other one.
Okay.
Sorry, we started setting up like 10 minutes ago.
I started setting it.
That's a good point.
In case you're
Oh,
wondering.
it's we now. It's we.
So stay with us because at some point there will be music.
Oh. Could you move over a little bit? Thanks. Should we shut the window?
Dance me to your beauty like a burning violin. Dance me through the panic till I'm get through safely. Lift me like an olive branch and be my turtle dove. And dance me to the end of love. And dance me to the end of love. Let me see your beauty when the witnesses are gone. Let me feel you moving like the dew in Babylon. Show me slowly what I own. dance me on and on. Dance me very tenderly and dance me very low. We're both of us, we need our love, both of us above. And dance me to the end of love. And dance me to the end of love. Dance me to the children who are asking to be born. Dance me through the curtains that our kisses have outworn. Raise a tent of shelter now, though every thread is torn. And dance me to the end of love. La la, la 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 la. La 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 dance me to your beauty like a budding violin. Dance me through the panic till I'm gathered safely in. Lift me like an olive branch and be my turtle dove. And dance me to the end of love. And dance me to the end of love. Let me see your beauty when the witnesses are gone. Let me feel you moving like they do in Babylon. Show me slowly what I only know the limits of. And dance me to the end of love. Dance me to the end of love. Dance me to the wedding now, and dance me on and on. Dance me very tenderly, and dance me very long. We're both of us beneath our love, both of us above. And dance me to the end of love. And dance me to the end of love. Dance me to the children who are asking to be born. Dance me through the curtains that our kisses have outworn. Raise a tent of shelter now, though every thread is torn. And dance me to the end of love.
Ishen kugorlua budas kani chirima. Vagihor koma, vamorton koma, Ishen kugorlua budas kani chirima.
Thank you. Ah, hi, Mom. Nice that you guys are there.
They say the skies of Lebanon are burning, those mighty cedars bleeding in the heat. They're showing pictures on the television, women and children dying in the street. And we're still at it in our own place, still trying to reach the future through the past, still trying to carve tomorrow from a tombstone. But hey, don't listen to me, this wasn't meant to be no sad song. We've heard too much of that before. Right now I only wanna be here with you till the morning dew comes falling. the sun goes down, we'll make love to the sound of the ocean. They're raising banners over by the markets, whitewashing slogans on the shipyard walls, witch doctors praying for a mighty showdown. No way our holy flag is gonna fall. Up here we sacrifice our children to feed the worn out dreams of yesterday, and teach them dying will lead us into glory. But hey, don't listen to me, this wasn't meant to be no sad song. We've heard enough of them before. Right now I only wanna be here with you till the morning dew comes falling. I wanna take you to the island and trace your footprints through the sand. And in the evening when there's no one around, we'll make love to the sound of the ocean. I know us plain folks don't see all the story, and I guess this peace and love's just copping out. And I guess the young boys dying in the ditches is just what being free is all about. And how this twisted wreckage down on Main Street will bring us all together in the end. And we'll go marching down the road to freedom. But hey, don't listen to me, this wasn't meant to be no sad song. We've heard enough of them before. Right now I only wanna be here with you till the morning dew comes falling. I wanna take you to the island and trace your footprints through the sand. And in the evening when the sun goes down, we'll make love to the sound of the ocean.
Your mom said something very nice.
Ah, it's very cute.
Just as well. Nice. Benjamin taught me. Let's jam.
That is true. literally me. Ah, that's very awesome. My little nephew came home with 3 end of season footballs. That was trophies from football, not footballs.
From trophies.
Yeah, exactly.
3 of them. Which nephew?
Seth.
Does it say which trophies he won?
Which Sophies did he win?
Which trophies did he win? Oh, Judy. I assume it was Judy who said that, right?
Yes, it was.
Sorry, Judith.
You're right there.
My fingerprint is not being recognized. Oh. First world problems. Now I have to go all the way to the keyboard. Oh.
Quand le soleil dit bonjour aux montagnes et que la nuit rencontre le jour, je suis seul avec mes rêves sur la montagne. Une voix me rappelle toujours. J'écoute à ma porte les chansons du vent, me rappellent les souvenirs de toi. Quand le soleil dit bonjour aux montagnes, je suis seul, je ne veux penser qu'à toi. Ah, Russell. Oh, it's so lovely that you're there. What was, I will lift up my name into the hills, from whence cometh my help. My help comes from God.
Ciao.
California Dreaming?
Sure. Wait, oh, California Dreaming, not California Girls.
Well, we can do both.
Boo!
Alright.
Please, California girls to the power.
Okay, but then we need our samba machine. Our samba / bossa nova machine.
Oh, did you hear?
Like flamenco.
Left zien bossa nova now.
Oh, a bit.
Everything in your life has led up to this moment. California girls, not with you. Lyrics.
California girls.
Girl.
And with a Z again. Girls.
Dude, stop heckling and come and.
Already?
Yeah.
It's too warm to do anything.
Heineken, give us free beer.
I know a place where the grass is really greener. Warm, wet and wild. There must be something in the water. Sipping gin and juice, laying underneath the palm trees. The boys break their necks, trying to creep a little sneak peek. You could travel the world, but nothing comes close to the Golden Coast. Once you party with us, you'll be falling in love. Oh, California girls, we're unforgettable. Daisy Dukes, bikinis on top, sun-kissed skin so hot, we'll melt your popsicle. Whoa, California girls, we're undeniable. Fine, fresh fists, we got it on lock. West Coast represent, now put your hands up. Oh, sex on a beach, we don't mind signing our stilettos. We freak in my Jeep, some doggy dog on the radio. You could travel the world, but nothing comes close to the Golden Coast. Once you party with us, you'll be falling in love. Oh, California girls, we're unforgettable. Daisy Dukes, bikinis on top, sun-kissed skin so hot, we'll match your popsicle. Oh, California girls, we're undeniable. Fine, fresh fits, we got it on lock. West Coast represent, now put your hands up. Oh, tone tan, fit and ready. So the docks, it's getting heavy. Wild, wild West Coast. These are the girls I love the most. I mean ones, I mean like she's the one. Kiss her, touch her, squeeze her buns. The girls are freaks, she drive a Jeep and live on the beach. I'm okay, I won't play. I love the beach like I love LA. Venice Beach in Palm Springs. Summertime is everything. Homeboys banging out. All that ass hanging out. Bikinis, zucchinis, martinis, no weenies. Just a king and a queenie, Katie, my lady. Look here, baby, 'cause I'm representing California. California girls, we're unforgettable. Daisy Dukes, bikinis on top, sun-kissed skin so hot, we'll match your popsicle. Oh, California girls, we're undeniable. French, fresh fists, we got it on lock. West Coast represent, now put your hands up.
I'll drink to that modulation. You know what that means.
Literally, in like these
Down
two
your gin and
octaves.
tonic now.
In these two octaves, nothing works, especially in this
Well,
sort of
then we have to
music.
sing everything 2 octaves higher.
No. Like
Is that a
this is
problem?
fine. It's just
Yeah,
like
I
I'm
don't-
trying to play it, and it's just like
But I don't see a problem with
I
that.
thought you were an artist.
no,
You have to work with what you have. do something?
I thought. Yeah. Yeah, backing vocals, bro.
That's why I asked, and you were like, no.
Leaves are brown.
The leaves are brown, and the sky is grey.
I've been for a
walk on a winter's day. I'd be safer if I were in LA. California dreaming,
such a winter's day. Stepped into a church, I passed along the way. Well, I got down on my knees and I pretend to pray. Now the preacher likes the
Preacher likes a call.
He knows I'm gonna stay.
Knows I'm gonna stay.
California
dreaming,
such a winter's day.
such a winter's day.
All the leaves are brown, and the sky is gray.
And the sky is grey. I've been for a walk
on a winter's day.
on a winter's day.
I didn't tell her I could leave today.
California dreaming
On such a winter's All the leaves are
All
brown,
the leaves are brown,
and the sky
is grey.
I've been for a walk
I've been for a walk
winter's day.
on a winter's day.
I'd be safe in the morning
I'd be safe from
if
the
only I were in LA.
if only I were in LA.
California
California dreaming,
such a winter's day. California
California dreaming,
California
dreaming, California dreaming.
And all the leaves are brown.
All the leaves are brown,
and the sky is
and the sky is grey.
I've been for a
I've
walk
been for a walk on a winter's day.
I'd be safe then.
I'd be safe from both.
If I were in LA.
If I were in LA, California dreaming, California dreaming, California dreaming.
ready for something.
I can do it later. I will do it later. Okay, we have a request from João.
Who's that guy?
João.
It's funny how close it is to my name because I'm Ginho.
Yeah, funny.
It's funny, right?
Funny that. But I hear João is a very normal name
Yeah, it's like
in
what, Eastern Spain.
yeah.
yeah. You mean the province in the
Eastern
southeast?
The Atlantic.
Southwest.
The Atlantic
Did you
part
say
of Spain.
Eastern Spain?
Yeah. I
That's
always get
completely
Eastern
the
West wrong,
opposite.
I know.
España del Suroeste.
Yes. That's how they speak there.
It's like
It's
Juan, but in a dialect, right?
yeah, they have a weird accent there.
Yeah. Funny.
It's like a modern
like
Latin,
G. Like, right?
like modern
Like
Latin.
that, right?
Yeah.
G.
João.
What do you guys want to do?
Many things.
So many choices.
Oh my god.
Oh, we're gonna try this
in
one?
life.
What's that one?
We can do the one.
The one?
Which is the
thingy.
one? Our duet
Sure.
or your solo?
If we're speaking about the same thing.
I'm not sure.
I like where this is going. Please do it and see how what turns
Do you have your trumpet, Joel?
out. Yes, it's right here.
Oh, Wids.
I think it's the one. But what's its name? What's its name, precious?
Into the East.
Right.
Well, then I'm not doing
Could you scroll?
this. Maybe you should hire someone just to scroll your pages. Just saying.
Is that a metaphor?
Yes. It's called irony.
I hate jokes. Is that a joke? 'Cause I thought we agreed not to do any jokes.
Oh, no, it wasn't a joke. It was just some irony.
Good. It was just a bit irony.
Irony is related to the metal, you know, and all the
Yeah,
processes.
yeah.
Or also to the science of ironing clothes. It's also-
That's science.
Irony.
Sometimes it's a science.
This is Gino. He's an ironer.
Yes. Lay down. You're sitting there.
Yeah, it's like-
Oh, wait, hold on.
Lay down, sweet and weary head. Night is falling.
Sports
You have
supervisor.
come to dream. Sleep now, dream of the
Half
ones
the
who.
fucking notes are
Oh.
right. Sorry, I'm really getting so annoyed with this piano today.
We can do our Messiah bit. Actually.
Ah, yeah.
If you remember how to do it.
Oh yes, but the summer version.
The people that walk in darkness, that walk in darkness.
Handle right
The
now.
people that walk in darkness, they've seen a great light, they've seen a great light. The people that walk in darkness, they've seen a great light.
Nice. Handel is in his grave right now, like, finally,
Yes.
top perfection for my music. It took them so long.
Yeah.
This is what I mean when I say historically informed.
This is what quarter is bossa nova means at the top of my score.
This is hip.
Yeah.
We call them hipsters because they all have hip replacements.
Oh yeah, I love that joke.
Lay down your sweet and weary head.
tears upon your face. Soon you will see all of your fears will pass away, safe in my arms. You're only sleeping. What can you see? On the horizon, why do the white gulls call? Across the sea, a pale moon rises. The ships have come to carry you home. And all will turn to silver glass. A light on the water, all souls pass. Hope fades into the world of night, through shadows falling out of memory and sight. Don't say we have come now to the end. White shores are calling, and you and I will meet again, and you'll be here in my arms, just sleeping. What can you see? On the horizon, why do the white gulls call? Across the sea, a pale moon rises. The ships have come to carry you home. I know it'll turn to silver glass. A light on the water, gray ships pass into the Summer has come and passed, the innocent can never last. Wake me up when September ends. Like my father's come to pass, 7 years has gone so fast. Wake me up when September ends. becoming who we are as my memory rests, but never forgets what I lost. Wake me up when September ends. Summer has come and passed. The innocent can never last. Wake me up when September ends. Ring out the bells again, like we did when spring began. Wake me up when September ends. Here comes the rain again, falling from the stars. Drenched in my pain again, becoming who we are. As my memory rests, but never forgets what I lost. Wake me up when September ends. Wake me up when September ends.
Beautiful. Thank you very much, Widzinho. Andro, of course.
What? Oh, you're thanking me. Oh.
Yes, I am.
Ah.
Was that a joke?
Oh, stop it.
What?
I thought we agreed to not do jokes.
Where did this guy came from
Walking
now?
off.
Oh, was it in the notes for today?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Well,
There's
right.
one rule.
Oh, I didn't get that memo. Right.
I mean,
Now
you're
you
the one
know.
doing the memos, no?
Otherwise you're fired.
Well,
From your own concerts.
Yeah.
I mean, we don't need you anymore.
Joao and I
I
are
don't
majority
need you anymore.
stakeholders. Shakeholders.
Shake
My
hands.
milkshake brings all the way from
I'd like. How do I begin to?
Charge. My milkshake brings all the way to the yard, and it's better than yard.
Like very weird, like minimalism. You know, like.
For 5 minutes.
My milkshake. My milkshake brings all the boys. My milkshake. The yard. My milkshake. The yard. The boys. Milkshake. Boys. Yard.
Shouldn't you have a different word for every item?
Milkshake. Milkshake. Yard. Milkshake. Milkshake. Boys. Yard. Milkshake. Boys. Yard. All the boys are in. The yard! What's that? Boys, what are you saying? I have trouble hearing. I think they're saying... It's better than yours? I think they're like, it's better than yours? Boys, why do you say these things? My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard. All the boys are in the yard.
Beautiful. That's a beautiful. That's a beautiful poem.
Oh
I
my
must
god,
say.
I loved it.
Beautiful poem.
I was hoping there'd be a Oh my god. I was really hoping there'd be like a medley with This Day is Bananas. This day is bananas.
I don't know why, but Lucinda always come in the right moments.
The weird moments, yeah.
Always,
Lucinda, lovely that you're there. Oh,
We're fine doing
That
some
was-
weird stuff, and then Lucinda comes in. We're like, oh, hello.
oh man, I really loved that. That was fantastic.
Thank you, I liked it too.
Yeah, it was a very. Yeah, I don't know what it was, but I loved it. Like,
The intensity and how truth it was. How truthful.
Oh, okay. Thought she had to excuse herself. Yeah.
yeah, I really liked it.
Yeah, it really works. Minimalist music 101.
Wits, ik heb alleen maar ogen voor jou, man. Nou, ook voor jou hoor.
Gracias.
A la vida. Que me ha dado.
Cerveza.
Uma jola. Hola, manos. Tomamos uma jola.
Rolla? Rolla?
Jola.
Yeah, but ro?
Jola.
Yeah, but ro?
Jola.
Oh, rolla. Oh,
Rolla.
okay, okay.
Uma jola.
Okay, written exactly the same way as the Portuguese.
Jola.
Rolla. I don't even know what I'm doing.
Solo tengo ojos para ti. No te das cuenta, no lo has notado. Y te quiero más de lo que hoy puedo decir. Y yo solo tengo ojos para ti. Solo busco el tiempo para ti. Vaya manía de estar a tu lado. Y lo eterno cabe en tu minuto enamorado. Y yo solo tengo ojos para ti. Te veré como siempre en el rincón donde guardo el corazón y tan solo vives tú. Y aunque el mar pierda una orilla, él comenzó su partida, solo tendré ojos para ti. Solo tengo ojos para ti. No te das cuenta, no lo has notado. Y te quiero más de lo que hoy puedo decir. Y yo solo tengo ojos para ti. Como siempre en el rincón donde guardo el corazón y tan solo vives tú. Y aunque el mar pierda una orilla y el comienzo su partida, solo tendré ojos para ti. Solo tengo ojos para ti. Solo tengo ojos ojos solo para ti.
Ah, such a nice song. Thank you, thank you. Wids, shall we try Flora MacDonald's Lament, the two of us?
Yes,
You want to try it or not?
absolutely.
Ooh.
Come on.
Or you don't want
Better
to?
not.
Okay.
It's been a long time since I looked at it. You want me to scroll?
Yeah, please. And you can just join on the last bit of
Oh,
me.
I will.
I will try to be perfect.
Yeah, that's
I
fine.
will be very convinced of what I do, and you just do your thing, and
Yeah, exactly.
we will make it work.
I'll be
Basically,
very
always
convinced.
just do your part, and
Yeah.
then I will jump around the parts, okay? This is a very beautiful Scottish song that I found in a very old Scotland
Scottish.
song that I found in an album a few weeks ago, and I decided to do an arrangement of. So here is Flora MacDonald's Lament.
Flora MacDonald's. Bad timing.
Far over yon hills of the green,
And down by the corrie that sings to the sea,
a bonny young Flora sat sighing her lay.
the dew on her plaid and the tear in her eye. She looked at a boat with the breezes that swung away on the wave like a bird on a May. And I, as a lesson, she sighed and she saw.
Farewell to the light I'm on the sea again.
Farewell to my hero, the gallant and young. Farewell to the lad I shall never see again. shore. The cormorant roost on his rock or the sea, but oh, that is one whose heart fate I deplore. Nor house ha nor hay in this country has he.
Conflict is past,
And our name is no more.
there's naught left.
But sorrow for Scotland and
Sorry, my nasal sound is not very good. It's better.
Isn't that just like the most beautiful song though? I've never heard of it before, and I saw it in this little songbook, and yeah, it's really
Little songbook.
little.
Little. Oh,
But yeah, I really love
Don't
this.
you mean?
Now this was a proper bagpipe. Completely out of tune.
I'll tell you why I'm laughing. We have a little audience here, and one of the audience members was enjoying it, but also worried.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
They were.
It was a
responding
beautiful face, like.
Okay.
Trying to vibe.
Yeah. Vibing attempt.
Wait, is it time for you to chase some visions?
Sure.
Gazondi.
I wanted to make a very funny. Oh,
Joke break? No jokes today. No.
Hey,
no,
you're the one who said no
jokes break.
jokes.
Yep.
no jokes. Okay, no.
Yep,
Yeah.
that's how it works.
Rules are rules.
No breaking the rules.
But if I were,
If you were, you better make it worth.
yeah, no. Yeah, no.
Not worth breaking the rules for this.
Then I have to pay a fine for the low price of $49.99. I wish I could make a joke, but I can't. So
time. Sometimes I'm lucky here in the night. I see your brown eyes as my memory takes flight. Carried away in visions of yesterday. And I'm with you one more time. Oh, sometimes I'm lucky here in the night. I see your brown eyes as my memory takes flight. Carried away in visions of yesterday. And I'm with you one more. I'm with you one more. And I'm with you one more time.
I think we have to do it.
Give us a clue, Benj.
I'm trying to fit it in.
Michael Scott.
You're too busy.
Ringing in my head.
It's got it.
No, I'm laughing because I'm trying to figure it out. That's what. I honestly have no idea. How?
What do you see
Oh, okay.
Nee, nee, nee.
Ah.
Nee, dat is het niet.
Boe.
Oké, ja.
on the horizon?
Oh.
Yeah, of course.
Well, I guess you didn't fit it that well. Try better next time.
projecting.
At last.
Oh no?
I don't think so. Did you get it?
Oh, I did. My milkshake. B A N A N A S. B L A D A N O S.
Ja.
Stimeerde plaat. Wat is
Bananen.
Stimeerde bananas.
Se dia alguém pergunta por mim, diz que vivi pra te amar. E antes de ti só existi, cansado e sem nada pra dar. Meu bem, ouve os minhos se ama sozinho, talvez devagarinho possas voltar a aprender. Se o teu coração não quiser saber, não sentir paixão, não quiser sofrer, sem fazer planos do que virá depois. O meu coração pode amar. Se um dia alguém pergunta por mim, diz que vivi de amor antes de ti só existi, cansado e sem nada pra dar. Deixo pressas, peço que regressas, que me voltes a querer. Eu sei que não se ama sozinho, talvez devagarinho possas voltar a aprender. Se o teu coração não quiser ceder, não sentir paixão, não quiser sofrer, sem fazer planos do que virá depois. O meu coração pode amar pelos dois.
I have to drink to that modulation.
I was very happy with that modulation.
Well,
It was almost imperceptible.
Lucinda, Italy, of course. Good old school rock.
Azerbaijan.
I also like the Maltayan
Je me casse.
Lizzo.
Yeah.
Just like Lizzo, but from Malta, I think. Yeah.
Yeah.
You also get that vibe. Did you? Is that a no? Did you? Also Finland, they always have very nice hard rock. Hard rock
Ukraine
is.
super nice as well.
I don't remember what was. Probably Ukraine. There was a song that I really liked.
Yeah, it was like folksy singing and
Yeah. Probably Ukraine. Yeah.
Huh?
can we do something else?
Yeah, I will.
Amar pelos dois Handel Styles.
Okay, I will do one or two songs, boys.
Okay, good for you.
Yeah.
Great, which ones are we doing?
Go, do it.
Yeah. Why isn't it coming up?
Just do it already.
Go, rustig.
Hey.
Can you rustig aan?
It's a very, very good phrase. Could you like
Yeah.
rustig aan alsjeblieft?
Ukraine.
What Ukraine? Oh, did Lucinda answer?
Lucinda says,
Sorry.
Ukraine
No,
song wasn't my favorite at the time, but he's calling me now. All right, you are. I liked it instantly,
I
but I'm
love
happy
that.
that you like it as well. Wasn't necessarily my favorite, but it was top 3 for sure. My favorite was Azerbaijan, and I'm very sad that they got so few points. That's a good song.
Which one was that? I don't remember.
And it's like with some sort of like Cleopatra, an army of
I
lovers.
don't even recall that one. Okay. Fair
Let's
enough.
put it on.
Wait.
We can put on some
Copyright.
Claude Lejeune as well.
Of all the things we're doing that are copyrighted,
Oh, you think that's a problem? I mean, would it be a problem?
maybe if it's completely
Yeah.
like playing it,
Right. Okay.
because we get warnings every week for
Really?
copyrighted music. Yeah. Because it's. But the thing is, we're doing covers for it, so it's not completely forbidden, I think.
Sure.
But I really liked Italy.
Yeah.
That's exactly what I sound like.
She was. Yeah.
Okay, then I'll go.
See the pyramids along the Nile. See the sunrise from a tropic isle. Just remember, darling, all the while you belong to me. See the marketplace in old Algiers. Send me photographs and souvenirs. Just remember when a dream appears, you belong to me. I'll be so alone without you. Maybe you'll be lonesome too. Fly the ocean in a silver plane. See the jungle when it's wet with the rain. Just remember till you're home again, you belong to me. ocean in a silver plate. See the jungle when it's wet with the rain. Just remember to your home again. You belong to me. You belong to me. You belong. Een witte volle watenwolk die door een engel wordt bewaard. In zang zo prachtig wordt vertolkt. Zo moesten wolken zijn. Maar nu versperren zij het licht. Zijn regen in het weerbericht. En ik verzaak mijn dure plicht. Zo zonder zonneschijn. Wat mooi aan wolken leek te zijn. Van hoog tot laag. Die gele pijn was wat ik zag. Dan flauwekul van wolken heb ik geen benul. Reusachtig is het reuzenrad. Je danst en duizelt, bent verward. Als in een sprookje lief gehad. Zo moest de liefde zijn. Maar nu bleek jij voor tussendoor. Ze lachen, jij gaat er vandoor. Doet het je zeer, vertoon geen spoor van wat je voelt, je pijn. Wat mooi aan liefde leek te zijn. Je gaf, je nam, hoe kon het zijn? Was wat je voelde, flauwekul van liefde heb je geen benul. Trouwe tranen, trots gevoel, dat ik daar in het feestgevoel uitsprak over wat ik voel. Zo moest het leven zijn, maar oude vrienden doen nu raar, hoofdschuddend maken zij bezwaar. Ik ben veranderd, dat is waar, van water bij de wijn. Wat mooi aan leven leek te zijn, de waarheid en de schone schijn, zijn levenslessen flauwekul. Van leven heb ik geen benul. Van leven heb ik geen benul. By the time I get to Phoenix, he'll be rising. He'll find the note I left hanging on his door. He'll laugh when he reads the part that says I'm leaving. 'Cause I left that guy oh so many times before. By the time I make Albuquerque, he'll be working. He'll probably stop at lunch and give me a call. But he'll just hear my phone keep on ringing off the wall. That's all. By the time I make Oklahoma, he'll be sleeping. He'll turn softly and call my name out loud, and he'll cry just to think I'd really leave him. But time and time again I tried to tell him so. He just didn't know. I would really go. Now that our mountain is growing with people hungry for wealth, how come it's you that's a-going and I'm left alone by myself? We used to hunt the cool caverns deep in our forest of green. Then came the road and the taverns, and you found a new love, it seems. Once I had you on the wild road, now it's just dusty roads, and I can't help from blaming your going on the coming of the Look how they've cut all to pieces used to curse the bold crewmen who stripped our earth of its ore. Now you've changed and you've gone over to them, and you've learned to love what you hated before. Once I thanked God for my treasure. Now like rust it corrodes, and I can't help from blaming your going on the coming of the Thank you very much.
Are you telling the people about this concert?
Yes, I think I will tell the people about this concert. Should we do one more song with the three of us first?
Just the three of us. Just the three of us.
Just the three of us. Just the three of us.
Just the three of us. Oh, I love that song. I mean, I love everything that is good with yours. I really mean it.
You are one of the three, my dear Joel.
Three of us. We can make it if we try. Just the three of us. You and I. Just the three of us. Just the three of us. We and I. You and I. Like a wing out.
done for the day.
I
don't put too much pressure on your throat.
Oh well.
Well, too late.
Pressure is relative anyway.
boys, what songs do you want to do?
The one you had.
The one I had, right?
Yeah.
Montbach.
Finally.
I still have no idea.
Mont. You also know what it is, right? Oh.
Well, this is very strong.
Isso é muito. Laat maar.
Change it. Change it now.
Yes, boss. But this is nice because now I can write this off as a business expense.
Because we used it in one context.
Because, yeah, I use it professionally.
You're a professional light.
I'm sort of a light technician now. I downloaded the app and everything.
Looks quite good. You should go there and check the YouTube because it looks very nice.
Oh.
If one day someone. Oh, we should do this one. Maybe it's the last one.
Yes, that's a good closing one. But then we can do Montbach and I'll tell them the story.
Yeah.
Story of my
Montbach.
life.
Tell them a história do meu dia,
A minha vida.
a minha vida. Okay,
Yeah, the
so
whole thing is my
Also,
muscles
we
are a
have to
bit
have
sore
some
because I
issues.
went bouldering. So
we have to do this one as well.
pretty
Like
strong.
After
the very, very final one.
Nightingale.
Yeah.
With
Vizinho.
Sorry, I was
Montbach.
flirting with the audience.
Montbach. And then Story of My Life. Story of my life. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. What is this?
Master of the
Uh,
House.
No. No, I'm thinking about something else. You missed one.
At last, Valjean, we see each other play. We
No, I was thinking about the. West. Was it you, Dushka, on my birthday, saying you didn't know the song we were singing when we were singing Willem House?
That was Hella.
Was it
Was-
Hella?
Oh, I don't know this.
That was the highlight of. That was the highlight of Tuesday.
Oh wait, no.
Oh, wait, I know that.
No, I recognize it.
Oh, very good.
Story of my life.
So there's something weird going in the audience. Probably it's the warmth. Moon river, wider than a mile. I'm crossing you in style someday. Oh, dream maker, you heartbreaker, wherever I'm going, you're going my way. To
Thank you, boys. It's very lovely. Are we gonna say it?
Yes, we are.
We should say it.
Is
Oh.
it really that bad? Or is it
We're breaking up,
bad quality? Probably bad quality.
and it's your fault.
We gaan uit elkaar.
Yeah. Blame.
We're going out of each other.
Hmm.
Basically, yeah, it's a very sad moment actually. The concerts as we're doing them as a minute are gonna change form. And from this Friday onwards, instead of doing a usual 2-hour slot, 8 till 10 Dutch time, 2 hours Dutch time.
Where I understood. Hey, rude.
We're actually going to change the format of the concerts. So, yeah, it will not be live anymore, and we are also going to reduce the amount of stuff we do, because it's Corona. People are going outside and having
It's
a
not
life
Corona.
again. Like lack of Corona, people are going outside and having a life again.
Lack of Corona
And
breaking business.
It means that, you know, things are doing. Fortunately, the three of us are having projects coming in, so we're less and less free. And also, after over a year of concerts, we're also looking forward. Well, I especially, I guess you guys are as well,
I'm
of
not.
having the summer off and not having to do it all the time. But so basically, it's still a little bit to be seen. But I imagine once, maybe twice a week at a fixed time, we will send out an individual song, which we will be able to put more energy into and rehearse like a specific fewer songs, and send out 4 new songs, 8 new songs every month. So you guys will still hear us, and the positives are that it will be easier for you guys to find the songs that you love from us. And it does mean that generally it will be higher quality, because when we stream, we lose a lot of quality. So that will be fixed, and it gives us a chance to do slightly more difficult arrangements, because, you know, we're actually...
Benjamin will give us a bit more time to practice.
I will actually give them time to practice. So, yeah, it's... thank you, everybody for all of you guys supporting and being there for us during Corona times. It's been a real honor being able to do these concerts with you. And, yeah.
Well,
guess that's
hopefully
it.
Corona will come again and we'll come back to the concerts.
Delta variant.
That'd be great.
And yeah, for sure. Like we will occasionally do live ones. So you can pop up and we'll pop up and say hi.
Hi.
But that will be more for special occasions.
That's why you were saying that.
Yeah.
Oh.
So it will be more for special occasions and less of every single week. But there'll still be something every Friday, and probably like every Tuesday. We still need to work it out. So no, don't listen to this dude. But yeah, thank you guys so much for joining.
Why did your computer turn black now?
Racist. Bro, you can't just ask that.
Why did it change color?
You only need to behave for like 3 more
Yeah,
minutes.
exactly.
Oh my! Are you canceling me? What the hell is this?
No, you're facing the consequences.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Consequences?
Exactly.
Consequence.
Yeah, no, and for sure we will do some postcard concerts as well occasionally, because that's such a lovely thing. And yeah, thank you all of you for supporting, and yeah.
Bye. See you tomorrow.
Oh, maybe it's good to say for people that donate. Obviously, we would still appreciate it, because we will still be doing a lot of works. I'll still be doing a lot of arrangements, and that will be coming out twice a week. So if you still want to carry on donating, we would love that. But I will also send out a mail individually to all of you.
For
who
those
do-
not
who do
donating,
donate.
start donating.
And for
now.
people who don't donate, go to Pecha Off and give us all your puli as normal.
Yeah.
Because
As usual.
Corona may be over, but our rent isn't.
Because of what? Capitalism.
Should get that on a t-shirt.
What?
Corona is
Maybe
over, but rent is
our
not.
rent isn't.
But yeah.
You need me to move? You're the one who moved my chair.
Oh, that's very sweet. For keeping us entertained during coronavirus times. You're very welcome.
That's with a capital L as well.
That's very cute.
That's nice.
What
Thanks,
was the
Gene.
L?
You're welcome.
What? French Protestant from.
Oh, I also need to load some words. Hold on, I'll do the intro again in a second.
Benjamin needs to browse memes again.
This is why we're canceling these concerts.
Because I spend too much time shitposting.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's impossible.
Benjamin is a diva.
If you could see what I see during the concerts, you'd be surprised.
Benjamino è una diva.
You have legitimate interest in that.
Yeah, I know.
Good for you.
Shut up.
Are these linguistic memes again, Benjamin? You told us that you quit.
Have you got the other one? The next one lined up?
Eu não quero dizer adeus.
I have
Yeah.
no idea. I made a
This
guess.
is Nightingale, and then I don't want to say goodbye.
Oh, okay.
Ich.
Just leave it.
You ruined the surprise now. Here.
No, I think the one we've got is nice. Oh, Christmas Troy, oh, Christmas Troy, the tree most bright and lovely.
Nightingale, that goes to France.
Oh.
Nightingale.
Say hello to my mother,
Nightingale
of every village,
Nightingale of wherever.
travel. Say hello to my mother, Nightingale, and to my father, do not salute, Nightingale of a far journey, Nightingale of a journey. Because they married me badly, Nightingale. To the pastor may have given me, Nightingale of a beautiful journey, Nightingale of a journey. That they saved the skeleton, Nightingale. Anyway, okay.
That is. What's Pardulo?
Have you done?
No, which song is it?
Ja.
Nachtigall.
En de tweede?
I am the living embodiment of the winky face, tongue out emoji.
Oh my gosh.
I almost-
Will we be able to do this? Actually?
No, this is
I
it.
don't
Like,
think so.
there's no
I think we're
closing.
done. The end of the concert is already.
Guys,
was.
you think we're just postponing because we don't want to say
Good.
do it, do it, do it.
We don't want to say. Stay tuned for the result of this.
Oh my god. Guys, yes?
Yeah. Rossignol, un bel bosco
stormen amalada rossignol, dombe boscaggia rossignol, come fa guarda la ramada rossignol, e perduta la scaglia da rossignol, d'un bel boscaccio rossignol, d'un alba carmelata pada rossignol, bacher torna la cabra rossignol, d'un bel boscaccio rossignol, un bol che mandona la sparpaga rossignol, un petto un'abbracciata rossignol. Asciò son coses de mein Natur rossignol, quant'eran pavolen formaggio rossignol, come boscaggia rossignol, home on the range, where the deer and the antelope play, where never is heard a discouraging word, and the skies are not cloudy or day. Say goodbye, let the stars shine through. I don't want to say goodbye, all I wanna do is live with you. Just like the light on the after the darkness has gone, the shadow of my love is falling on a place where the sun always shone. Don't you know that's where our hearts both belong? I don't want to say goodbye, let the stars shine through. I don't want to say goodbye. All I wanna do is live with you. Home, home on the range, where the deer and the antelope play. Whenever it's hard, a discouraging world, and the skies are not cloudy. Together our two hearts are strong. Don't you know that's where our hearts both belong? I don't want to say goodbye. Let the stars shine through. I don't want to say goodbye. All I wanna do is live with you. I don't want to say goodbye. Let the stars shine through. I don't want to say goodbye. All I wanna do is live.
Thank you, everybody, so much. Stay safe. And
Or not. I mean, if you don't, maybe
You don't
we
have
can
to
go back to
anymore.
this.
stay safe. And thank you for joining. And see you in the videos that the individual videos we put up. And you'll see us from time to time.
Time after time.
Okay, let's stop the video.
Why?
Just go turn off the thing. Because the ending was so beautiful and now it's weird again if you don't turn it off.
Oh, sorry. No. Hold on. Wait. I needs to be in a good key.
Maybe B minor. B minor and E flat major. Polytonality.
Thank you, everybody.
Thanks. See you soon.
Go.
Turn off the
Learn to read a social cue. Bye, everybody. Thank you.
Thanks.
Is it off or is it still?